Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlogs. And as always, I appreciate all the love and support. In today's video, as you guys seen in the thumbnail, we're gonna go ahead and take the car over to Aaron and we're gonna get these tires mounted on, bro, because we need to go back to those Michelins. But it ain't right without that cool start, baby. Let's go. All right, you guys, back at Express Phoenix, got the tires out. Aaron's back over there somewhere, and we're finally gonna get these Bridgestones off the car. These are really, really good tires. Really good looking tires too, but, oh, there he is. Speaking of, the man, the myth.
I'll be right back.
If you guys haven't seen the previous video, I'll make sure I leave the link up top. When I was here last time with Aaron, and we actually put these wheels on that are on the car. And I know a lot of you guys have asked me, man, what brand are those wheels? Where'd you get those from? I'll make sure I leave everything in the description for you guys, because I know you guys have been asking a lot about those wheels. And I appreciate the love and support. But Aaron, how you been, bro?
It's been f***ing real. It's been real.
Yeah?
PSA, do not get divorced.
Do not get divorced. Man, he just dropped that. He just dropped that on us out of nowhere. It's all good, dog. It's all love, bro. Either way, we'll get this video popping.
Put anything else.
Wait, what was that? What was that, Aaron?
Said Michelins are magical.
The Michelins?
Yeah, once you're used to the Michelins, you don't want to go back.
No, I know, man. I know. I learned my lesson, dude. I learned my lesson. He told me last time. He's like, you're gonna feel like you're driving on rails. They're very, very good tires, very grippy. I feel like for track use, probably is gonna be best. But for daily use or weekend, man, dude, I feel every little pothole and every little curve. Yeah, it's insane. We'll put the Michelins back on. Oh, how many times we've seen this view right here. How many times we've seen this view right here. Literally every time I change my tires. You guys will see them in the previous videos with this guy right here on these machines.
Yes, sir. Leave it there. Yeah, bro.
Ah, my little ZL1.
I'll lose it.
He said I'll lose it. Yes, sir. Troublemaker walking by. Here goes one of them. Aaron coming through. He always does this, you guys. He can't control himself. He has to clean the wheels before he swaps the tires out. He always does that. Alright. So we'll just take a little spin. I don't know if you guys can hear that right there, but like the little sewer lids, I just went over it, and something simple like that, like these little bumps that I'm hitting, you used to feel it like crazy with those other tires. Yeah. My God, my IATs are reading 148. Motor vehicle pulled over somebody, so yeah, we got to make sure we drive regular for a second, you know what I'm saying? So I know right here there's a pothole. I'm not gonna go directly in it, but right there. The camera just went like this, but I don't know if the footage did. But that was, but they held up. There's another one. I'm not trying to like purposely hit potholes, you guys. That right there was a major pothole that I've hit before, and man, it sounded brutal. But this time you can hear it, but it was definitely not as bad as before. Oh my God. All for the content, you know what I'm saying? All right, you guys, we're gonna say yes. Do we want a receipt? And then this is the cost currently, and it's 51% ethanol. It's not full E85. But right now the car is tuned for the 51% ethanol anyway. So, but either way, let me show you guys this view behind me, right there. So, Superman, I love getting these kind of angles in these shots, you guys. Once it gets wrapped, we're not gonna see it back to this form for a while. What is gonna be the color? What is gonna be the finish? I don't know. You guys let me know. Shout out to my man. Yes, sir. Shout out to the fam, bro. My boy showing love. We appreciate that as always. Right now it stopped at $37.27, you guys. Hold on. I mean, I had a little under half tank though, low key. But this used to be $2.88 about 3 months ago. Now it's $4.88. But either way, let's start the car real quick. Good. All right, you guys, so I'm back at the house, and I can tell you right now, the drive on the way back to the house, as you guys can imagine, it's gonna be night and day, man. These Michelin tires, the PS4S, these tires are just something else, man. When I'm driving on those Bridgestones, I can literally feel every little thing on the road, every little turn left and right. It just hugs the ground really, really well. Like, they're very, very grippy. These tires, I don't know, for me, it was just too much to be driving around like that. I felt every little pothole. It felt like my tires were super low profile. Maybe if I used them on the track, that would have been much, much better compared to having them like on the weekend, just driving around like that. It just didn't feel right, man. I remember Aaron telling me too, he's like, man, you're gonna feel like you're driving on rails. And that's exactly what it felt like. Now, have you ever experienced those Bridgestone tires? And I'm gonna leave them right here, the exact ones that I had on there. Have you ever used those tires before? And if so, what are your guys' thoughts on those tires? Now, you might be asking yourself, why did I take so long to go ahead and get new tires on the car and swap them back to the Michelin tires? Well, the reason why was because when I purchased those, I got them online, and the Bridgestones, I had got them, I think they were like $269 a tire, and they were brand new. Believe, if I'm not mistaken, they weren't that old either. I'll leave the link in the description when we first took those tires and put them on over at the shop, and that was especially when I got the new wheels on the car. Remember Aaron telling me, man, I don't know, but I didn't listen. And now I've learned my lesson. They are way too grippy around corners and potholes. Like, you feel it all, man. It was terrifying. It felt like my wheels were gonna crack. I don't know. Now, I got a question for you guys. Now, if there's a tire that you guys recommend and a specific brand that you guys recommend, do me a favor, leave it in the comment section below, because I will be replying back to you guys. I try to do my best to reply back to all the comments as much as I can. As they come through and the notifications pop up, then I go ahead and just reply right back to you guys, and of course show you guys love in return. So let me know what you guys think, because to be honest, if you guys are new to the channel, I do have 17-inch welds as well. I have bead locks, and I'll show you a picture right here of what they look like. I do need to swap those tires out too, because they're just due, and I'm looking for another set, maybe that could last a little bit longer. So the size that's on there right now is a 305 45 17. Maybe I could squeeze like a 315 or maybe a 325 50 17. I don't know, because that's a 345 back there, no problem, no rubbing, no nothing. But offset is obviously very, very important too, so I don't know. But either way, let me know what you guys think, and if it's your first time on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. A thumbs up definitely helps out the channel. Leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think. Was it finally time to get this swapped out? and that I take way too long, and of course I regret it personally. And of course we got the big guy Printam in the background just watching as well. If you made it this far in the video, the car is going back to Dyno Comp next Friday, and we'll vlog that as well. The ZL1 is going to be back there with Joe and the team, and hopefully the same day we get the car back, but I'll explain once we get to that video. But in the meantime, between time, you guys know the drill. A Dilla, bow, Superman, chilling right there. Printam, chilling in the garage, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.